la schiacciata di patate. Today we're gonna make it together, and it's simply a schiacciata made with potatoes. No yeast, no rising time. You prep it in a few minutes, you bake it, and that's it. In less than 1 hour, you get this delicious, amazing, crunchy schiacciata. But there are 7 mistakes that most people do, and they end up with a flat pizza that doesn't make any sense. But no worries about it. We're gonna go through all of them together today, so you get the crunch every single time. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to make the best schiacciata con le patate. Thinking about the ingredients, I think, and I hope you already have all of them at home already. So it's flour, salt, oil, water, and potatoes. So super easy, and maybe rosemary if you want. And first mistake that most people do is to don't preheat the oven properly. So we're gonna turn it on right now. Second mistake that most people do is that they don't mix the liquid properly. So usually they pour it in the flour and then water and oil, but instead you have to mix the water and the oil first together. If you skip this step, the texture becomes uneven. No way, I just noticed that there is a hole in this bowl, so we're gonna just switch the bowl. I know that it might be confusing for you, but we don't need to mix the dough. We don't need the dough, not mix. Just have to mix the dough, because schiacciata is not only a type of pizza. I know there are focaccia, schiacciata, pizza, pizza romana, pizza napoletana, so you get confused about based on all these names, I would say. So schiacciata can also be this recipe. You just have to mix. You don't need to knead anything. Third mistake that changes everything is to slice the potatoes too thick, okay? Try to avoid that. Don't slice the potatoes with a knife, but instead, I just recommend you to use mandolina, as I'm gonna do it today. So it will slice the potatoes really, really, really thinly, and you're gonna get the best schiacciata, okay? You see? This is how they should be. Now you add all the potatoes to the flour, to the butter, and you mix them until all the potatoes are coated. Okay. Fourth mistake that most people do is to forget that we have a tray, and we can do something good with it. So we can preheat also the tray for a few minutes, and we're gonna also brush the bottom with just a little bit of oil. Don't exaggerate, just a little bit, okay? Okay, the tray is hot, and we're gonna pour in the butter with the potatoes. Fifth mistake that most people do is to make it too thick, but instead we have to have a little layer, a really thin layer of schiacciata, okay? So try to don't let the potato overlap. Mistake number 6 is to add too much oil. So the oil makes it heavy and not crispy, okay? So you just have to add a little bit, just a drizzle, and it's enough. Salt and rosemary. And now we bake it. The temperature should be high for about 45-50 minutes, okay? Mistake number 7, and also last mistake, is to cut it and enjoy it immediately. But instead, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Because it gets crispier as it cools. And these were all the secrets and the mistakes to avoid to make the best schiacciata di patate. And yeah, thanks everybody for sharing your time with me today, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.